Hey friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got a really cool one today. I'm excited about it. I've never actually bought one of these before. It's my first one. It's a 1988 BMW 635 CSI. This car has 30,000 original documented miles on it. Very nice car. I got this on trade from a collector. He took very, very good care of it. In the last 2,000 miles, it's had major services completed, valve cover gaskets, all fluids, brakes, tires. Really, it's been gone through very, very well. Mechanically, everything is as it should be. Very cool car. Black with the ivory white, which is rare on these cars. It does have super sprint exhaust back here. Gives it a nice little rumble, nothing crazy. Just a nice little groan. The wheels are perfect, no curb rash, nothing at all. The paint is beautiful, nice and smooth. I've got pictures of the engine bay on the photo gallery on the website. Very nice underneath there. Take a look inside. Very, very clean. Really, it's absolutely gorgeous. This car has the differential lock options. It is an automatic transmission. It does have the rear AC. Take a look in the back seat here. These don't even look like they've been used. Very, very nice. All the speakers work. They sound good. So look at the driver's seat. Very nice. No lights are on anywhere here. 30,119 miles. Here's all of our controls. Windows, everything works here. All the seat adjustments work. Even the headrests go up and down. The factory ride control has been replaced on this car with upgraded springs and suspension. That ride control can be expensive to maintain, so it benefits from deleting that. Smooth car, goes down the highway. I was doing 85 down the highway, took my hand off the wheel, straight as an arrow. No wobbling on the brakes at all, no vibrations. Very, very smooth. I was actually surprised being an 88, but this car is very tight. It really rides nice. Could easily daily drive this. Got a lot of looks. It's really, really pretty. This car does have a binder with a lot of records in it. Comes with all of the original keys as well. The spare tires back there. Very complete car. Really love this car. Give us a call, text, email. We will respond quickly. Rogers_motorcars. That's our Instagram. Of course, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. That helps us out a lot. We're always posting new vehicles. I like to do walkarounds on everything. Can do deals with you anywhere in the US by email or text message. And I can ship this car to you in closed trailer anywhere in the country. So give me a call. Hope to hear from you soon on this 88 635. By the way, this is the first year of the bigger engine. They went up to an engine that had more horsepower. So this car has it all. Very collectible. Hope to hear from you soon.